What's up, my people? It's the voice we can here once again with another update. So it's been a bit long since I made a video. That is the reason is personal, but let's just talk about the reason for this video today. So today is about OES updates, the latest updates, and what we're expecting about OES airdrop and listing. So you got to watch this video and listen to whatever I'm saying attentively, because this is my findings and what I concluded in today's video. So first, they around June 19, they made this particular post asking us to actually vote on what do we do to before the kind of that they are listing and mainnet and all these things. So after the people voted and telling them what they think is good for them, they actually made this post 14 hours ago, and it says GM OES community, based on the current community voting results, OpenES has developed the following launch plan to enhance community governance and transparency. OpenAIs is always kind of claiming that their project is community based. So we have been waiting and longing for their airdrop, and now they actually made this post regarding how the listing and airdrop is going to go. So I'm going to open the Medium post for us to see what they actually said in it. So I don't have a Medium account on this particular phone which I'm recording this video with. So this says dear OpenAIs member, blah 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 blah. So yeah, the few things I think I have picked from their Medium post among all these long notes that they wrote here, all these long essays. So according to the first one, that says that they allocated 2% of OES total supply from the team allocation to the liquidity support allocation. So they are actually going to reallocate this 0.2%, this 2% of total supply to the liquidity support. So the other one is that they says they're going to start this total so-called event, no white license restriction and all this thing. They're going to start it from July 1st. That's in some days coming. So we are expecting them to do this, their so-called event, from July 1st to July 15th. So they says after the event, we are going to enter listing and mainnet as soon as possible. And they says distribution method, 50% of OES will be claimed at TGE, that is total token generation event. So they say the remaining 50% will be linear unlock over 6 months. So what I actually found out is that say that the 50% of OES is going to be claimed at TGE. So we are actually close to there. So they says again, listing plan according to the OES, according to the community feedback, we will list OES as soon as possible after the fair launch event. So according to them, they says after this event, which they are going to do after from July 1st to July 15th, according to what I saw here, they says they are going to list immediately as soon as possible after the event, which is also kind of same meaning that they're going to launch in a long time coming, because half of a month is that from 15 days. So after the 15 days, they're going to talk about they are launching again. So I think we still have a very long way to go while waiting for OES to launch for us. And again, they say the airdrop plan, according to the community feedback, unclaimed airdrop OES will be born after the airdrop distribution is completed. Token amount for the airdrop will be confirmed on chain after fair launch. So again, they say that the token amount which we are going to receive is going to be confirmed after the on-chain confirmed on chain after the fair launch. And another thing, that says a new vote will be open to gather opinion on handling the remaining OES airdrop portion in the app. Remember, there are some lot of people that couldn't verify their accounts and do the necessary requirement to withdraw their OES mined from Satoshi app to the OES app. So I think my junior sister also had this problem. She had around 300 something OES, but later the thing couldn't reflect in OES app from Satoshi app. So they says that also this particular one, they're going to do another vote regarding what to do with the OES airdrop portion in the app. So let's see what they are going to do. And again, in CoinGecko, the price of OES is already there. I don't know if this is error, but they are actually showing that OES is going to list with $1.4. So in everything we're actually doing, to conclude this video, to wrap up this video, the reason why I'm showing you guys this thing is that this thing that they normally says there is lights at the end of the tunnel. Even though I don't like the lights in the end of the tunnel, I love the lights from the beginning of the tunnel, but let's just fold our arms and do the required thing if there is something that is required for us to do, and just hope on that at last, even if it's by the end of this year, OES is going to reward us with whatever we got from them, because all these long stories from OES and over protocol and all these things is kind of killing my vibes. And there is this thing that is happening in the airdrop space now. All these developers, I don't know if they are confused or not, they just don't want to go straight. Both Telegram tap trend and all these things, and testnets and all these things, I don't know, they have community and they are now messing up with the community. So what I'm actually telling you guys is, don't put all your hope and trust and plan on airdrop, because airdrop is no more what we believed airdrop used to be. So let's just fold our arms just once again and see what is going to happen. But tell me what in the comment section, what do you think about this project? Is OES going to fail just like Universe showed us that it had failed? Is OES going to list with a good price with what we are seeing and the disappointments we are getting from them? Because by now OES is supposed to have listed and people have claimed their airdrop and things will move on and the project will be accumulating for more rallying up, just like Notcoin did the time that they listed and Core did when they are listing. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think? And did this video make sense to you? Did you understand what I said in the video? Anyway, my name is still remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.